Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Dodge Dart, but what we'll be doing here actually may work on Chrysler 200 because both of them share the same platform and many of the parts are interchangeable as well, guys. Or at least the procedure to remove and replace certain parts is the same. What we'll do, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace front seat belt buckle. Okay, if you need to remove and replace seat belt buckle, we'll show you how to do that. Not very complicated procedure. We'll demonstrate on a 2015 Dodge here, Dodge Dart. But you will need to, guys, remove your seat. Okay, remove the seat, and you need some special tools. So if you don't know how to do that, check out the video. We have the video on the channel, guys, how to remove front seat on Dodge Dart. And once you remove the seat, we can get to the seat belt buckle and we'll explain what needs to be done. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including that Dodge Dart, guys, we'll be making at least 200 videos. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy any replacement parts, any special tools, anything like that, we'll have all that listed in the description of the video below. So please check it out, guys. All that is there for your convenience. This is the seat out of the Dodge, guys. Okay, that's what it looks like. You will need to remove it in order to remove and replace the seat belt buckle. We'll demonstrate on the left side, on the driver's side, guys, but the passenger side will be the same way. You still need to remove the seat. This is the special tool that we use to remove the seat out of the car, guys. This is a special Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Fiat tool, guys, that you will need to get. Without it, you won't be able to do it. We'll have that listed in the link below as well. Now, what I will do, guys, okay, what we need to do once you get the seat out, okay, I need to go ahead and put it on the side, okay. Check it out now. We're going to grab the seat and put it on the side, okay, like that, just gently, okay. We'll have somebody hold it a little bit, okay, perfect. Now, right here we have one connector that we need to disconnect, this one here. Go ahead, grab it, okay, push in, pull it out. This is for the seat belt buckle. Once you guys get it out, you have one clip here. Sometimes it will come out, sometimes you have to use a clip removal tool like that to get it out. And then what we'll need to do, we'll need to get a Torx, guys, okay, Torx socket. Let me see which one it is now. Okay, a little bit bigger than that, so I think it's, yep, this one right here. This is the Torx socket, that's what it looks like. This is a Torx, okay, Torx 50. Start looking big, guys. So we'll go ahead, okay, and get that one loose now. Those will be tight, guys, super tight. Sometimes they will even have thread locker. Why? Because they don't want you to get loose, okay, while you're driving, because if you're in an accident and that thing is not tight, okay, there is nothing to catch you. The seatbelt will be broken and you will, guys, there is a high chance for you to get hurt or killed. So with that being removed now, okay, we need to go ahead, pull it all the way out. Let me see now. This one looks like it has a red thread locker on it. From what I can see, it has that retainer here as well, guys. That retainer, usually you install it on the bolt, so that way it keeps the bolt and it doesn't come off. And you can see, okay, this is the seat belt buckle. That's how you guys remove it. Now, if you need to put it together, you do it the same way we took it apart. Make sure on which position yours is located here before you remove it, so you need to know where to install it. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.